Welcome to the Fedora Family videos.
Welcome to the Fedora Family.
He's so cute. Today we're going to do an unboxing video.
Unboxing video. Good.
For the Ring Doorbell Pro.
Ring Doorbell Pro.
He's going to say everything I say. That's what we do here at the Fedora Family. All right, so my beautiful daughter and assistant will come in with the Ring Camera Pro, the Doorbell Pro, actually. And this is what we're going to unbox today. This is the Ring Doorbell Pro by Ring. And we are going to open this up and see what's inside the box. Are you ready? You ready?
Get set, go!
Go! All right. Where's it open, Max? Do you see it?
It's a hole in there.
Right.
Cut.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And also, don't use scissors like that. They're kind of sharp and dangerous. Just let dads do that, okay?
You use scissors.
I will use the scissors. Thank you very much. He's so smart. He knows not to use scissors.
Can't use scissors.
Yes, Michaela can use scissors too. And
Mom used scissors.
she had on her nice black fedora. Did you see her in the video for a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, don't push the table. All right, so here comes the Ring Camera Pro.
Oh, and let's see in it.
You want to see what's in it? It's the Ring doorbell, and then Mom's going to come in.
I want to push it.
Hold on one second. Here we have the booklet with some information in it. Here we have a plastic piece. We'll take the whole insert out here.
And, hey Dad, I want to push the window.
Push that button. Good job. Nothing happens yet because we haven't set it up yet. Okay, so this little plastic piece will get out the way. We have 3 different, Max. Do you see this right here? We have 3 different faceplates. One is bronze.
Yeah.
One is like off-white, and the other one is black. So 3 different faceplates for the camera. We have the camera, the Ring Doorbell camera itself, right here. And we have some tools they have supplied us with nicely. We have a screwdriver, Phillips and regular. It's reversible. And you have a drill bit, just in case you need a drill in masonry, because that is a masonry bit.
Yeah. I want this one. I want this one.
Sure.
Okay.
And we've lost our assistant, Max. We have an information card to give you some fast topics on how to install it. And then we have some mounting stuff. This piece right here, as you'll see when we install it, goes into the actual doorbell itself, right here. And the doorbell chime, I should say. That's an extension wire for that doorbell chime. And then we have some screws for outside, and if you do put it into masonry, they have some masonry anchors. And on this one right here, this is more of those wires and wire nuts for the door chime installation. And that's everything in the box. And we will get ready to pull off all this plastic and put everything back together.
Okay.
What do you think? Did we do it right? He has his tools. Everyone see his tools? He got his screwdrivers.
I got my
screwdriver. And your drill. So I think we're ready to go and putting it together in our next video.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining the Fedora family. Say hi. Bye, Max.
Bye.
Bye, Michaela. Come on over and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching Fedora Family. Click subscribe below. Can't say subscribe, but I just did. So there you have it.
Yeah.
Say hit that like button.
Hit that like button.
Hit that like button. That's a like button hit.